This is our solid fueled oxidized rocket. Step 1, Peyton, Paisley, Shepherd. This is not, so y'all know, this is not a dangerous rocket. This is basically a rocket that we are going to use to shoot. Hopefully we can get to the highest altitude possible. Basically with the fueled oxidized rocket, you would have to have a cylinder in the middle which would ignite starting at the bottom, because when you have your fuel and your oxidizer mix, and as long as you ignite it at the bottom, it will gradually, and as it burns, the fuel will go up here, and basically, depending on how big your fuel tank is, depending on how much weight you want to have, is depending on, and your mixture of course depends on how fly and how accurate your rocket will be. I'm debating on a composite wings to go with this metal because it is lightweight. And then once it is in the air, we have this, which is going to be mounted in the inside. This is the parachute. It looks uneven right now. It's not going to be uneven. It will look professional. All this will have actually another ring on the top, and then you still have the hood. This actually here slides in here. So basically when it shoots out, this will be our payload. Whatever we want in here, it will be hanging underneath the parachute. Just imagine a parachute above here. So once we get to the altitude, and when we decide to send our Bluetooth signal to here, it will release our parachute. Now, the second problem would be debating on my trajectory. A safe trajectory to where it's not going to fall and hit anything, hurt anybody, and that's what I am trying to figure out now. I mean, I'm not Elon Musk, but he did his rockets come back and land. I just want mine to come back in a safe spot, so I will be seeking the biggest field possible. But as you see, I would say at least 33% of it will be fuel, due to the fuel and oxidizer mixed together. So it's basically the same kind of rockets they used back in 2003. They use a different system now to where they basically mix at the time of expulsion. Anyways, can't wait to get it done. Can't wait for y'all to see it, guys. Love y'all.